If you're dreaming of jaw-dropping landscapes, endless daylight, and family adventures that'll stick with you for life, Norway's nature is calling. Let's get you ready to explore the wild side of Scandinavia. Calmly, safely, and with a few local secrets up your sleeve. First up, timing your trip. Summer from June to August is hiking heaven. Miles of trails, midnight sun lighting up the sky, and so much fresh air you might just forget what a traffic jam feels like. Fall in September and October swaps crowds for fiery colors, and it's my secret favorite for peaceful walks. Winter brings skiing and the chance to chase the northern lights, though you'll want to pack warm and prep for wild weather. And spring, think roaring waterfalls and valleys waking up from their snowy nap. Now don't just wing it, Norway's wild, and that's a big part of the magic. For planning, I rely on ut.no. It's a free, super detailed site packed with marked hiking routes, info on cozy DNT cabins, and real-time alerts about trail conditions. Pair that with your.no for weather forecasts you can actually trust, hour by hour, across Norway's mountains and fjords. Getting around? Trains like the Flam Railway are a must for the views, but renting a car or hopping ferries gives you the freedom to explore fjords and quiet villages at your own pace. Packing for Norway is simple, think layers. Start with a wool base, toss on an insulating mid-layer, and finish with a waterproof shell. Add sturdy boots, a day pack with food, water, a headlamp, map, and first aid kit. Even in summer, the weather can flip fast, so always be ready. For staying overnight, book a DNT cabin through ut.no or embrace Norway's right to roam, camping legally almost anywhere as long as you respect nature. Safety in the mountains is serious business. Learn the Norwegian mountain code, download offline maps, save emergency numbers, and grab the Yelp 113 app for emergencies. And please, respect what makes Norway special. Stick to marked trails, carry out your trash, skip campfires in forests from April to mid-September, and leave wildlife undisturbed. To really soak it all in, start your hikes early. There's nothing like having a quiet mountain all to yourself in the golden light. Bring a power bank so your phone or camera stays charged, and check drone rules before you fly. If you're after the northern lights, plan for a winter trip up north. Norway isn't just about hiking. Try kayaking, fishing, it's free in saltwater, glacier walks, cycling, or even skiing. I always recommend the Rallervegan bike route, hiking across Hardangervidda Plateau, or exploring the blue ice of Nygarddsbreen Glacier. Just plug those names into ut.no and see what adventures call your family. So, prep smart, respect the land, and let Norway's wild beauty leave its mark on your next family trip. Happy travels!